Hello, Chef. Once again, the carrots. I got 3 carrots left here. I got the yellow, the orange, and the white. So moving along very quickly, I'm gonna peel this yellow one up. Get this scrap out of the way. All right. It's a long carrot, probably 11 inches long. All right, we're gonna just cut right down from the top down. There we go. Quick split. Check that out. The inside of the yellow carrot. Beautiful color. I like it. And we're gonna bust it down real quick with this knife here. Beautiful. Try out the global. Nice consistent cuts, both of them. Tell us which knife you think's going to be better or that you like more. Really, really nice carrots here. I'm going to put them with the other carrots just to show you the color difference. Wow. These babies are really, really nice. There you go. Like, share, subscribe. Visit the sponsor's site. Keep cooking and have a great day. Watch the next few videos. If you need either of these, just check out your sponsor. They're having a sale. They give you free shipping. There's bonus gifts. There's all kinds of stuff there. So you'll be wise to shop there. And check out the next few videos. You'll see these knives rocking and chopping in action. By the way, they're both razor sharp. A quick comparison on the sharpness here. Got some regular paper, but let's go a little further and fold it in half. So double paper, a little bit further. 4 layers of paper here, okay? So I'll show you the turbo. All right. Can your knife do this? End-grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.